Hello, hello. I'm just going to read a little bit of a passage from a friend of mine, JC. She's writing a book, and I just think it's wonderful. Just she should hear what it sounds like. So I'm just going to do a little bit of this, just a couple paragraphs a day. And forgive me because I there's some of the reading I can't quite make out because again, this is in the very first drafts. Again, sometimes it's nice to hear somebody else read your work, and it helps me with my getting more camera friendly. I was told by a friend I need to use my eyes more. Bad, 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 bad. Flutter. Anyway, New Orleans is the most sensual city I know. Every drop of rain has a smell, a heaviness. The grocery store parking lot is a Cajun photograph. Crumpled newspapers littered with crawfish shells and picked over corn husks. Drive down St. Charles Avenue and the sound of a saxophone warbles deep and strong. An alluring walk through Audubon Park and magnolias perfume the air. Travel east and further, the burnt toast smell of chicory and coffee permeates the industrial canal zone. The French Quarter is a sensory feast for the oops, I'm reading that wrong. The French Quarter is a feast for the senses. Mimes and artists and gaudy-lipped psychics vie for your money while tap dancers, horse hooves, and a beggar clamor for your attention. People live in this city too. It's not just a tourist on Bourbon Street town. The saxophonist might just as well be waiting for the bus by the Burger King drive-thru. You'll find that psychics will read your mind just as eagerly in the suburban city. Uptowners, rich, poor, and in between, use Audubon Park to have birthday parties, to walk their dogs, or to hang out with a pilfered Winn-Dixie shopping cart. The New Orleans scene from the St. Charles streetcar, examined as though it were a sociological or anthropological study site, is also home. That's all for now.